Let us discuss about pulmonary neuroendocrine cells. Pulmonary neuroendocrine cells. These pulmonary neuroendocrine cells, they are present in respiratory system. This can be either single or this can be or in clusters. When they are single, they are single neuroendocrine cells. Single neuroendocrine cells. When they are in clusters, they are neuroepithelial cells. Neuroepithelial cells. These pulmonary neuroendocrine cells will have microvilli at apical border. Microvilli at apical border. They secrete some biogenic amines. They secrete the biogenic amines. This includes um, dopamine, serotonin, gastrin releasing peptide, calcitonin, and substance P, somatostatin, chemogranin A, synaptophysin. All these amines will be biogenic amines will be released. Let's see the functions of pulmonary neuroendocrine cells. Functions. One is they act as chemoreceptors. These chemoreceptors will be for sensing hypoxia and hypercapnia detection. For sensing hypoxia and hypercapnia, we can see. And they also detect pulmonary blood flow. They also detect bronchial tonus or bronchial tone. They modulate immune system. These are the functions of chemoreceptor with, and this pulmonary neuroendocrine cell will be more in fetus. Than adults. Hyperplasia of pulmonary neuroendocrine cells is seen in sudden infant death syndrome. Hyperplasia is seen in sudden infant death syndrome. They are innervated by vagus nerve. Predominantly by vagus nerve. Remember this. Predominantly by vagus nerve. So this is about pulmonary neuroendocrine cells.